Alright, I've heard a lot of people talk about capturing a counterclockwise rotation of the moon and then going clockwise, and I found this on MoonCalc. This is supposed to happen, what's this, 22nd, which would be Sunday, early Sunday morning, Saturday night. So Saturday night at midnight. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, the moon will be rising. It says the altitude will be 2.58 degrees at midnight, but watch this terminator line right here. As it rises, look, it turns counterclockwise up until 2 a.m. Actually 3 a.m. And this will be altitude says 57 degrees. It'll be way up in the sky, and then it'll start going clockwise as it goes overhead. You can see that there, counterclockwise and then clockwise. And then I'm not on the west coast, but looks like it'll start going back counterclockwise again as it goes around. Kind of strange. I've never caught this. Other people have. I'm going to try to catch this. If I can stay up that late, I guess I'll have to get to bed early, set an alarm, and try to get out and capture this, take pictures every few minutes. Just let me know what y'all think about this, and if anybody else wants to try this. MoonCalc seems to show what will actually happen. Now, I know they say this is based on the heliocentric model, but that is not what the heliocentric model explains. So, the moon turning two directions just doesn't make much sense to me. I think the moon actually is rotating, back and forth, or sometimes it does a full rotation, sometimes it doesn't rotate at all. So I said sometimes it goes counterclockwise. I need to look more into this, and same thing with the people say the moon is lit by the sun. I don't buy that either, because I have documented where the sun was setting in one position in the sky, and then later the moon was setting in a completely different position. Like, say the sun was setting to the having a brain fart, further to the north, and the moon was setting further to the south. Well, the moon's lit part was facing completely opposite of where the sun set. It doesn't happen all the time. I think they're like eclipses and things like that. I think some of this stuff is we just don't know about because they don't teach us about it. But start observing this stuff a little bit closer and trying to figure this out. But I've heard about the counterclockwise rotation. I've never captured it, but weather permitting and time permitting, I'm going to try to capture this. So hopefully some other people might want to try this too, depending on where you're at. See what we can come up with. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Thanks.